Hey, it's Susan and Nancy.
Empty nesters and true crime.
You okay tonight, Nancy?
Did I say something wrong?
No.
Oh, I said the name right?
She's very serious.
Yes, I was.
But this week's case is very serious, and it needs to make everyone outraged when we talk about it. But tonight's drink that I'll be making is called Fake Friends. Fake friends, maybe I should call it murderous friends, but they were fake friends to our victim, who her favorite color was pink. So I'm wearing pink and forgot to tell Nancy.
Didn't get the memo, but I've got pink in my heart for her.
Yes, that's right. Our producer's even wearing pink. Well, let's start making our drink, Fake Friends. We are going to rim the cocktail glass. I just use a little bit of the
Coconut cream.
That's it, yeah. Lost, had a brain fart. And then we are going to rim it with pink sugar because our victim's favorite color is pink.
Oh, pretty.
And it already is pretty, isn't it?
Those are pretty glasses, too.
It is. I'm going to move these up and let's bring that over. Instead of bringing out the huge Ninja, we are going to use a single serving blender I bought. I'm not sure I like it yet though. I'll let y'all know. But with this, I need Nancy. Shouldn't move that so soon. Show us how you've been working out your upper body strength.
Ooh, as my thumb.
Well, that's not good, Nance.
Woo. Oh, it's popping out here. Okay, I'll try it again. You ready? Oh, does it Velcro? Okay.
Hold on.
I don't want to, okay. There we go.
There we go.
I have it upside down.
Beat the shit out of it. That's what we would like to do.
This is a great way to get frustrations out.
That's what we would like to do to these friends. Fake friends.
Fake friends are the worst.
The neighbor's dog agrees.
All right, let's take a peek.
Alright. So,
Ooh, I can see it already.
well, it's going in the blender. So even if it's just, if we got a few chunks, yeah, just to make it easier to blend. We're going to put a cup of the semi-crushed ice. We're going to do a third, good job, a third cup of frozen raspberries. Thank you. A fourth cup of, what's it called again, Nancy?
Cream of coconut?
Yes. That just seems like a lot of coconut, but it is so good.
Ooh.
We are doing a half a cup of guava nectar. Now, I was looking for guava juice in our grocery store. You won't find it with the regular juice. You have to go to the Hispanic section.
Right.
And you'll find it. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of dragon fruit syrup.
Okay, it's a new one.
That is a new one. Thank you, Amazon, for our dragon fruit syrup.
Is that what smells really good right now? Something smells very fruity. Oh yeah, that smells amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Amazon.
I love it. Amazon we're going to thank for the blender, but I'm not sure I like this blender yet. And we're going to do 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces. Now here's something we've never done before, Nance.
Okay. Ooh, what is
Edible
this?
glitter.
Fun.
When you hear this week's story, you're going to be like, this was the perfect drink for our victim because she had a little bit of bouginess about her. She loved fashion. So
Okay.
we're going all out for her. Here's the fun part. We aren't shaking tonight. We're blending. What I absolutely love about this blender is that we just take off the top. Ooh, let's pour one to Nancy. And we pour it into our glass.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Yeah. And that's our victim this week. I said Bushy, so we're going to go all out for her. All right, Nancy.
Oh, I can first sip. Yay. This is so pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous like she is.
And everything is pink.
I wouldn't say she is, but she was.
Oh, that's good.
I told you, it's delicious.
It is good.
So, come join us Sunday, 10 a.m. and maybe we can all make fake friends and listen together.